Okay, we start with pork rib. You slice like that, and then kangkong lang long, and then this how you decor the tomato like that. And then what about this? And then onion, and then yung radish, you peel like that, peel like this, and then thinly slice so it cook throughout. And then the green bean cut 1 inch, and then the main ingredient okra the best. And I don't like this one, I don't like this taro, oh my god. And then you put that in the boil and separate because I don't like. And then you put all of that in there, and then you put that and then bring to the boil. And then when you see it's boiled, you put the sinigang sinigang powder times 2 packet, and then patis, also known as a squid sauce. And then you put pepper, and then you put the radish also. And then I'm running out of bread, and then you put all the green stuff, and then you put that in there with the rice, and then some soup, and then the main ingredient again, and then put that in a bowl, and then it's very good. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. Mwah, don't touch.